Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Today, we're exploring Snapchat, a platform that has transformed the way we connect and share moments with friends and family. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, there's always something new to discover. So let's jump right in. Snapchat is not just a messaging app. It's a vibrant social platform that allows you to express yourself through photos, videos, and creative filters. One of the standout features of Snapchat is its user-friendly interface. Even if you're not particularly tech-savvy, you'll find it easy to navigate. The app opens up to the camera, encouraging you to capture life as it happens. With just a swipe, you can access your friends' stories, explore trending content, and even discover new lenses that add a fun twist to your snaps. Now, let's talk about some of the advanced features that make Snapchat a favorite among users. One of the most exciting tools is the Snap Map. This feature allows you to see where your friends are snapping from, giving you a unique glimpse into their adventures. You can even explore public snaps from around the world, which can be a great way to discover new places and cultures. Another fantastic feature is the ability to create custom filters and lenses. This is where your creativity can really shine. You can design filters for special occasions like birthdays or weddings and share them with your friends. Plus, with the Lens Studio, you can create your own augmented reality experiences, making your snaps truly one of a kind for those looking to enhance their storytelling. Snapchat's Memories feature is a game changer. It allows you to save your favorite snaps and stories, so you can revisit those cherished moments anytime. You can even edit and share these memories later, giving you the flexibility to curate your own narrative. If you're interested in professional use, Snapchat offers unique advertising opportunities. With Snap Ads, you can reach a targeted audience in a fun and engaging way. The platform's analytics tools also provide valuable insights into how your content is performing, helping you refine your strategy and connect with your audience more effectively. As you explore Snapchat, remember to engage with your friends and the community. The platform thrives on interaction, so don't hesitate to send snaps, comment on stories, and participate in challenges. This not only enhances your experience, but also strengthens your connections. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this guide to Snapchat helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech insights and tips. Keep snapping, and we'll see you in the next video.